Yawning is something we all do every day. We yawn when we wake up, when we feel sleepy, and even when we see others yawn. Yawning is an involuntary action where we open our mouth wide, take a deep breath, and exhale slowly. Yawning is not limited to humans. Animals like dogs, cats, birds, and even reptiles. Yawning is controlled by the brain, especially areas responsible for alertness and body regulation. When the brain...
One of the most common reasons we yawn is tiredness. When we are sleepy, brain activity slows down, and yawning helps prepare the brain to stay alert.
Yawning often happens when we are transitioning between sleep and wakefulness. It helps the brain shift from a relaxed state to a more alert state.
Earlier, scientists believed yawning increased oxygen levels in the body. However, research shows yawning is not mainly about oxygen intake.
Modern science suggests yawning plays a role in regulating brain temperature. A cooler brain works more efficiently and stays alert.
When you yawn, deep breathing and jaw movement increase blood flow, helping remove excess heat from the brain and maintain balance.
Yawning often happens when focus drops, such as during long lectures or studying for hours. It acts as a reset button for attention.
Yawning is contagious. When we see someone yawn, our brain may trigger a yawn too. This happens even when we are not tired.
Yawning is contagious. When we see someone yawn, our brain may trigger a yawn too. This happens even when we are not tired.
Scientists believe contagious yawning is linked to empathy and social bonding. It shows how deeply connected human brains are to each other. People who are emotionally connected are more likely to catch yawns from each other. This suggests yawning may play a social role.
Young children and infants yawn less in response to others. This may be because empathy-related brain areas develop gradually.
Yawning can also occur during stress or anxiety. It may help calm the nervous system and restore balance.
People often yawn before important events like exams or performances. This helps the brain prepare for increased attention. Yawning frequency changes with temperature. We yawn more when the brain is warm and less when conditions help cool it naturally.
Poor sleep increases yawning during the day. It signals that the brain did not get enough rest to function optimally.
Students often yawn during long study sessions. This is the brain asking for rest, movement, or a break to reset focus. Stopping a yawn is not harmful, but allowing it helps the brain regulate itself naturally and efficiently. Occasional yawning is normal. However, excessive yawning without tiredness may signal underlying health issues.
Frequent yawning, along with dizziness or confusion, should not be ignored and may require medical attention.
Animals yawn for similar reasons: alertness, communication, and brain regulation. This shows yawning is deeply rooted in biology.
The deep breath taken during a yawn stretches lung tissue and resets breathing patterns, improving respiratory rhythm. Jaw movement during yawning increases blood flow to the brain, helping deliver nutrients and remove heat. Yawning often feels satisfying because it releases tension in facial muscles and helps the brain rebalance itself.
Yawning does not mean laziness or boredom. It is a natural biological response, helping the brain function better.
Yawning is a message from your body. It signals the need for rest, focus, or temperature regulation. Yawning is not just a simple habit. It is a smart brain mechanism that helps regulate alertness, temperature,